What's up guys, so you're like me and you don't want your gauge cluster all scratched up like this over time. You found a random screen protector online, it was like 10 bucks, only to get dust underneath. You told yourself it's okay, you're gonna order another one, but you're dying inside. So what you guys need is ScreenPROTECH. We'll start by disconnecting the battery. So everything's included in the kit. You get the screen protector, a squeegee, a towel, and the solution bottle. The solution bottle has soap inside. All you have to do is add a little bit of water and shake. The install process is really easy. You just spray where you want to put the screen protector, wipe it off, spray it again, and then use the squeegee to get all the dust off. Then you're going to spray more solution onto the screen. At that point, you're going to spray your hands with the solution, and it's recommended you wear gloves for this so you don't get fingerprints. Then you spray the screen protector, start peeling, and spray the backing as you go. At this point, the screen is wet and the screen protector is wet. You're just going to place it and position it where you want it. And then with the squeegee, you're going to start from the center and go to the right and keep going clockwise until you get all the water out. Then you're going to go back with the squeegee, but this time you're going to wrap the towel around it that they provide and then do the same thing. Once you've done that, wipe any extra solution with the towel and you're done. The kit I received includes the gauge cluster screen protectors, so you guys don't have to remove any of these things I'm removing, but I took them off because I didn't want to spray solution all over my Alcantara. So I removed all the panels I needed to get the gauge cluster bezel off. Let's say you mess up and there's a piece of dust or debris underneath. Don't panic, just spray more solution and peel it back. You're going to spray it down again and remove the debris with the squeegee. Then get everything sprayed down wet again and then reapply the screen protector. Install the other pieces and you're good to go.